Good to have you back with us on Traders 20. We are, of course, discussing the top 20 trading ideas for now, but let's give you a glimpse of what's happening with the markets as well. The benchmarks, of course, looking extremely quiet after that stellar rally yesterday. The mid-caps index, though, is high by just about 1/3% at this point in time. But nevertheless, individual counters, of course, doing very well for themselves. So we've got the likes of Soba Developers that's showing a bit of a downtick right now. But do remember that counter was at a fresh high, reacting very well to its quarterly numbers. Not just that, we've got a Walcott as well as the Torrent Pharma that's hit fresh highs in today's session. In addition to that, some of the other big gainers for the session right now, we've got a GMDC that's added on a good 2.5%. A JP Infratech, do remember we've had the Yamuna Expressway date come out. So that's also doing well for itself, a GMDC, and a Whirlpool that's put on a stellar move of close to 6% in the session right now. However, on a 5-day basis, one of the big losers then has been an NIIT Tech. The counter today is looking, of course, quite perky, but nevertheless, it's 8% down on a 5-day basis. Okay, let's just quickly pull up some of the India Bulls Group stocks, because remember there was that scathing report just a short while ago by Veritas which advised investors to sell all of these stocks and saying that the corporate governance was sacrificed and that you had India Bulls Real Estate as well as India Bulls Power, which are unreliable companies. They had shaved off quite a bit when the report came out, but now you can see a mild recovery. Let's take it straight to Sandeep Wagle and Prakash Gaba, who now join in with their top trading ideas. Sandeep, it seems like you have a large cap till today.
Yes, I have a buy in Cummins India, stop loss of 473, target of 515, a rounding bottom pattern in the daily charts. The next buy is a HUL at this level of the Nifty where it is likely to face resistance. I would want to go for a defensive stock. So HUL is showing good traction today. I would buy it with a stop loss of 471, target of 489. A trendline breakout in the hourly chart, that is the main reason. And I would want to go with a sell in Idea, stop loss of 80, target of 75, a head and shoulders pattern in the hourly chart.
Okay, and Prakash, you've got some ideas coming in on Nifty names today.
I like Ambuja Cement. It's a momentum buy, structurally positive. It's running around to closer to around 197, 198. I would have a stop below 191 and trade long. I also like Ambuja Infosys. Infosys is looking good to me. It's a typical reversal pattern. Have a stop below the levels of 2260. On the upside, it can climb to levels closer to 2325, 2330 in the days to come. And I also like Jindal Steel. It's more of a reversal pattern out there. It's a bottoming out process. Have a stop below these levels of around 410 or so. On the upside, we could see levels closer to 430. So it's Ambuja Cement, Infosys and Jindal Steel.
Okay, those are some of the trading ideas which Prakash Gaba is recommending for today. It's largely the Nifty stocks that he seems to be picking out. We take a quick break on this juncture on Traders 20, but lots more lined up on the other side, because we've got with us Deepak Mahoney as well as Rajat Bose. They'll be joining in to give us their fresh trading ideas for today.